Hello friends, how are you? I am Taj and you are watching Tech DXP. In this video, we will discuss about SMDB. Its full form is Sub-Main Distribution Board. As you can see in this video, this SMDB is surface mounted SMDB, and here you can see this is the load schedule which is fixed on the door of the SMDB. This SMDB has 6 outgoing and a incomer. The incomer size is 200 ampere and the MCCB which is installed as an incomer here is 4-pole MCCB, and here we have 3 switching position in the MCCB: on, off and trip position. We can make it on, off, and if there is overload or overcurrent, this MCCB will trip, and this is the general concept for any MCCB. There are 3 switching position in the MCCB. Here the cable you can see, this is armored cable and this is XLPE armored cable. This is cable gland as you can see, and which is used to connect the cable in the panel, and this is the cable lux which is used to connect the cable in the bus bar as you can see in this video. Now we will move up and there are 6 outgoing as you can see, 3 in the left side and 3 in the right side, and all MCCB has the legend on it like DBF, DBG, FFCP, DBR2 and DBR1, and you can see all 6 has the legend on the MCCB. Now we can see the cable is also connected in the MCCB. All outgoing MCCB are also 4-pole, means the 3-phase red, yellow, blue and black neutral is also connected in the MCCB. If there is only 3 phases connected in the MCCB, it will be 3-pole, and if 4 cable is connected, it will be 4-pole. And here you can see this CT, and you can see this is used for FFCP, which is the part of ELR. Here we have used one fire pump and this MCCB is fed to that fire pump. That's why we have used an ELR here. For any machine, generally we used either ELCB or ELR. For high load we used, means major load, we used ELR, and for a small load we use ELCB. And here you can see all cable is connected in the breaker, means the main cable and the neutral cable is connected in the breaker, and the earth cable has a separate bus bar in the panel in the down left side as you can see, and here we have legend also present on that cable, and the main earth cable is 50 square mm and the outgoing earth cable is 16 square mm. It is mentioned here also as you can see it. And now the main cable, you know, this is 95 square mm of main cable as an incomer we used here. I hope you like this video. I hope you understand this the concept of SMDB. Many of my subscribers asked me to make a video in English language because they don't understand Hindi. That's why I have made this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.